Morning students.
Morning, sir.
Candidate A, Nitya, candidate B, Amni. Nitya, what is the dream of your life?
Sir, I want to become a doctor
Why do you want to become a doctor?
because I want to serve the needy people.
Okay. Would you describe the profession of your parents?
My father, Mr. Anil Arya, is a businessman and my mother, Mrs. Suman Arya, is a housewife.
Okay. Where are you living presently?
They live in modern town Nirmana.
Okay. What is the favorite sports? What is your favorite sports?
I like to play badminton.
Okay. Amni, what is the aim of your life?
I want to become a doctor.
Why do you want to become a doctor?
I think also that I want to help the needy and poor people, so I want to become a doctor.
Who is the ideal person of your life?
My ideal person is my teachers, parents, and
Okay. How do you come to this school?
by bus.
By bus. How many brothers sisters you have, Amni?
I have one brother and two sisters.
Okay. Now topic presentation. Nitya, you are going to tell us about your topic. When your topic is over, Amni will put your question.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And being an examiner, I will also put one or two questions. Would you start your topic, please?
Sir,
Start.
sir, my topic is natural resources. There are many non-conventional sources of energy like wind, water, etc. The sun is the biggest source of energy. It provides us with all we need. It has so amount of energy that so many nuclear atoms are not able to provide that energy. The hydropower is the oldest and most renewable source of energy. The most important thing about that source of energy is that it is available in everywhere. It can be found in rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Japan has made solar battery operated device so that the car is able to move without pollution, and many wind sources are also available, and it is estimated that about 20 kilowatt hour energy is produced in India due to the wind, and it is estimated that conventional sources of energy are coal, petroleum, etc. and it is not, if they are not saved, a time will come when we will not be able to live, because these sources are the basis of our living. Thank you, sir.
Nice presentation, Nitya, but there are some doubts in my mind. Please clear them.
Yeah.
Speak loudly, please.
What are conventional resources?
The conventional sources of energy are coal and petroleum.
How much time does sun take to equalize basis?
It take about 2 weeks to.
Okay, Nitya, would you describe the Japanese technology you have mentioned in your speech?
So yes, the Japanese technology is that they make solar energy operated device so that the car are able to move without petroleum, and due to which they
What are the two sources of energy?
the two sources of energy are conventional and non-conventional sources of energy.
Okay, now candidate Amni, you are going to tell us about your topic. When your topic is over, Nitya will put your question. Right? Now, would you start your topic, please?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I want to present my topic on health and fitness. Many people do not realize and often underestimate the aspects of good health. Health, as they say, is wealth. Many people would consider the condition of their bodies and forget about the conditions of their mind. However, health is not only about elevating and being free from physical aspects of health. It also means being healthy in mind too. An unhealthy mind results in an unhealthy body. A good mental health helps you to make the most of life and enjoy it. Everyone knows how to care for their bodies. This is done every day by the majority of people. Exercise and eating proper food are the best way of keeping the mind healthy. But how does one keep the mind healthy? A healthy mind requires a lot of work as well as right combination of food with an exercise. Many often the food consumed has a pivotal effect on the body. A healthy diet consists of a right food group with right number of calories. Selecting a right food that helps you to provide energy helps you to keep healthy both in mind and body. Exercise is extremely important for both mind and body. Physical exercise also has many mental benefits. This is because our body produces endorphin hormone which relieves our stress and improve mood. Depression can be elevated by improving mood, and anxiety can be relieved by reducing stress. Another way of keeping the mind healthy is to exercise it as often as possible. Just as physical exercise is good for body as mental exercise for the mind. There are numerous activities that ensure you to keep your mind healthy. Is like doing crossword puzzles, calculating something mind, etc. Very few individuals take time to care for themselves with busy lifestyle and schedules. This is the best way to ensure you for live a long healthy life, not only physically but also mentally.
Nice presentation, but there are some doubts in my mind. Why does our health is important for an individual?
It is healthy. Health is important for an individual to live a long, healthy life.
Why is mental health necessary for an individual?
Mental health is necessary for an individual because it allows you to help to make the most of life and enjoy it.
Avni, how would you describe or cite the examples of the mental and physical health?
Like doing crossword puzzles
Right.
or calculating sums in mind or learning new word every day.
Thank you. Now, the problem solving task. I am going to give you a card which has information about a problem. You have to discuss the problem and must try to find the solution. Now, you start your discussion.
Hi, Abhi. How are you?
Hello Nitya, how are I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm fine, Abhi. And Abhi, have you planted your tree?
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. And have you planted your trees?
Yeah, Abhi. It was mind-blowing, but I am confused.
Confused? But what is the reason behind your confusion?
Because we get all the items like fruits and fertilizers in the school only. And despite like the plant, and despite
Right. Next.
What had gone dead? Oh, now I understand what is the reason.
Reason, but how do you know?
I know that there are some children who do not care of their trees.
What? Oh, but it is very sad to hear. Those children are not neglecting the care of trees, neglecting themselves.
Oh, I agree with you. But they are neglecting themselves because trees also benefit them.
Yeah, I agree with you. And they should understand that trees are worship in our culture.
And the copies of books on which they read or write are also made from trees.
And the bats which they used to play are made from wood of willow tree.
Yeah, and they neglecting trees because they will get playing time. But if the trees will not be there, the bats also will not be there.
Yeah, and for playing they have to live, and if trees will not be there, they will not get oxygen.
And they should understand that our life is destroying day by day due to neglecting trees.
Yeah, before building the forest of cement, they are cutting the natural forest.
Forest of cement, but how forest is replaced by cement?
Because no, trees can't be replaced by cement, but they are man-made forests who give us nothing but take a precious diamond like trees.
And it is said, Nitya, that if we cut a tree, we should plant at least 10 trees, and this will pay to the laws.
Yeah, I agree with you, but some respectable students of our class are not even giving time to one tree.
And I don't understand one thing, Nitya, that even time is given to them for planting trees in the school time, and even they don't.
Thank you, students. You can stop now. And what are the benefits of the planting trees?
So we get all the items like we get all the things like oxygen.
Okay, what are harmful effects of deforestation?
It causes soil erosion, and it helps in reducing rain tower. It destroys our agriculture system.
Thank you very much, students. This is the end of the task today, and have a nice day.
So हम बीच
नहीं,
में
बहुत
और
अच्छा।
डाल रहे हैं।